Hello friends, welcome to the chemistry floor. Now let's discuss about the one of the important recruitment of NPCIL, that is Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, Rawat Bhat, Rajasthan site. Starting date of the online application 3 November 2020 from 10 am. Last date of online application is 24th November 2020. Okay, up to 4 pm. Now this is important recruitment for the BSc with chemistry and BSc with physics subject. Okay, and also important for the diploma in engineering, that is diploma in civil engineering or mechanical, chemical. Okay, now let's discuss the post. Total number of posts is 164. For SC category 26 post, ST category 10 post, OBC category 45 post, EWS 16 post, unreserved 67. Okay, backlog vacancies, total 12 vacancies. For SC category 4, ST category 1, OBC category 7. Okay, now about detail discipline wise distribution. Category 1 stipendiary trainee or scientific assistant, ST or SA, diploma holder in engineering. Now for chemistry student, this is for the engineering student, that is a mechanical engineering 61 post. Okay, 61 post for the mechanical engineering for the diploma holder. In for SC category 10 post, ST category 3 post, for OBC category 17, for EWS 6 post, unreserved category 25 post. Okay, backlogging post is 4. For SC category 1, ST category 1, 2 for the OBC category, that is total 65 post. Now for the electrical engineering, total 22 post, that is diploma in electrical engineering. 4 for the SC category, 2 post for the ST category, OBC 6 post, EWS 2 post, unreserved category 8 post. Okay, total is 24 post. Instrumentation engineering, that is diploma in instrumentation engineering, total post is 7. Then electronic engineering 22 post. Then now the category 1 stipendiary trainee or scientific assistant, that is science graduate, for the BSc in chemistry 15 post. For SC category 2 post, for ST category 1 post, for OBC category 4 post, EWS category 2 post, and unreserved category 6 post for the BSc with chemistry subject. Okay, that is total 15 post. Now let's discuss about the BSc with physics subject. Total post is 15. Again 15 post for the BSc with physics, that is for the BSc student. It is very important for the BSc student that 30 post for the BSc with physics or chemistry. Now BSc with physics, 2 post for the SC category, 1 post for ST category, 4 post for the OBC category, 2 post for the EWS category, and 6 post for the unreserved category, that is total 15 post. Then the scientific assistant C, safety supervisor. Then for the civil engineering 1 post, mechanical 1 post, electrical 1 post, instrumentation 1 post. Okay, now let's discuss about the age limit and pay scale. For the category 1 stipendiary trainee or scientific assistant, ST or SA, diploma holder in engineering. Okay, age limit is 18 say 25 year. During first year of the training, stipend of Rs 16,000 per month. For the second year of training, so stipend is 18,000 per month. Okay, category 1 stipendiary training scientific assistant graduate. प्रशिक्षण की सफलतापूर्वक समाप्ति के उपरांत संबंधित प्रशिक्षणार्थियों को संशोधन वेतन संरचना वेतन मैट्रिक्स CCS RP नियम 2016 के अंतर्गत 35,400 में लेवल 6 में वैज्ञानिक सहायक, दैट इज ग्रुप बी के पद हेतु नियुक्ति पर विचार किया जाएगा. प्रचलित नियमों के अनुसार प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम के दौरान कार्य निष्पादन के आधार पर अतिरिक्त वेतन वृद्धि भी प्रदान की जा सकती है. ओके, this for scientific assistant C. Now let's discuss about the syllabus for this post. Okay, syllabus for the chemist or engineering student, chemist, physics or engineering student. There is a chain prakriya. Now syllabus for the or pattern of the exam. Firstly discuss about the pattern of exam, that is diploma holder in engineering or industrial safety. English 10 mark, not a 10 mark, that is a total number of question is 10. Then general awareness 10 question, quantity aptitude 10 question, and respective discipline civil or mechanical or electrical or instrumentation or electronic or industrial safety 70 questions. Okay, now for the student of science graduate, that is physics or chemistry, for English 10 question, general awareness 10 question, quantitative aptitude 10 question, physics or chemistry 70 question. Level of the question is or standard discipline is the PSC. And for English general awareness and quantitative aptitude up to the 10th standard. Okay, level of the question is. Now the marking scheme. 1 mark will be awarded for each correct answer and 1/4 mark will be deducted for the each incorrect answer. Okay, this is the 1/4 negative marking system and total number of mark is 100 mark. Okay, for the general category 40 marks, for SC/ST category 30 marks. That is the qualifying standard shall be as follows. For general category 40 marks and for the SC/ST, OBC or PWD candidate is 30 marks. Okay, now discuss about the question pattern. General knowledge 25 question. Now it's not important for us. Okay, Sharik belum dia. Then गाइडलाइंस फॉर द पर्सन विद द बेंचमार्क डिसेबिलिटी, जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए यहाँ पे. ओके, so for this post there is no fees. So all the PSC with physics or chemistry student or diploma in engineering, that is a civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, can apply for this post. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Chemistry RRR. Okay, for the more posts you can subscribe our channel Chemistry RRR. Thank you for watching video.